This workout is designed to target your entire core, including obliques, abdominals, and your lower back. Creating a strong core will help you avoid injury, and it will create a solid foundation for your other workouts. Let's get started. Start on your hands and knees. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Slide your knees down and shift your weight towards your arms. Engage your core by keeping your abs drawn in as you come up on your toes and lift your knees off the floor. Bend your elbows and lower your chest all the way down, maintaining a straight spine. Lightly tap your chest on the ground. Press away from the floor and extend your arms, returning to starting position. Start in a high plank position. Draw your abs in and bend your right knee across towards your left elbow, allowing your hips to twist. Remember to keep your arms and shoulders strong and stable. After one breath, step your right foot back into plank position. Repeat with left leg. Sit with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind you with your fingers pointed towards your feet. Lift your hips up off the floor by pressing into your hands and feet. Now lift your right leg up off the floor and point your right foot towards the ceiling. Lower yourself by bending your elbows, then straighten your arms to push yourself back up. Switch to the left leg and repeat. Start in a traditional downward dog position. Press your chest back towards your thighs, sharing your body weight between your arms and legs. In this position, bend elbows and bring the top of your head close to the floor while keeping your hips high. Breathe out and push up away from the floor. Return to starting position. Sit with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back and lower yourself onto your elbows with your fingers pointed towards your feet. Engage your abs and lift your feet off the floor until your knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. With feet and knees together, trace the letters of the alphabet.